Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got the 100mph Traxxas Slash project out once again. Now since the last video we put a 34t pinion on and we put this aftermarket motor mount on so that we can run a larger pinion. So we're going to do another GPS test and see what we can come up with. I have got a 6500 milliamp Yomi power Lipo in. This is a 4S Lipo and it has got a 60C discharge rate. And it just has a little adapter so we can run from a Traxxas plug to a Dean's connector. And then I got this little jumper right here so that we can just run one battery. I have got the GPS hooked up right here on the back, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and turn this on. And then we're going to go ahead and make some passes. Controller on. 4 cells. Oh, and also since the last time we were here, guys, I also had to replace the servo. So I ended up putting an Arma servo in because the other one crapped out when I was running here. So that was disappointing. So let me throw the body on, guys. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do some passes. Already spun it out. Take it down towards the end. Alright guys, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it past. Here we go. Easing on the throttle. Okay. I'm pinned. Ooh! Spun out of control when I gave it full speed, but there is sand and stuff that they put down on the ground. So that's probably part of the reason why I just spun out there. Let's go ahead and bring it. Here we go. Easing on the throttle. When I try to give it full speed, I can tell the thing wants to kick out. Let's go a little bit further down. We'll do another pass coming from that direction, guys. Okay, here we go. Easing on the throttle. Oh, you guys can see when I got really on the throttle. When I got really on the throttle, it starts to kick those tires out. Now, those D-boot Hoons are kind of like a slick tire, so they're probably not going to perform well on a day when it's literally, I mean, it might not even be 6 degrees out. It might be like 0 or 2 degrees out, so it's really not very nice out today. So if they need to warm up, I probably need to do a few more passes before I can expect those to hook up. And maybe I won't even be able to get them warm enough to hook up in this type of weather. But let's go ahead and bring another pass. Here we go, guys. Easy on the throttle. Oh, I crashed it. Well, let's bring it back. Let's go ahead and get the GPS off and see what it recorded. I don't think we got a good pass in though. Okay, we didn't even get a good pass in yet. 54.6 is the most we've gotten, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead, zero it out. And it's still set to record the max speed. We're gonna attempt it again. This time I think I'm gonna try it with the body off, just because I have a feeling when we get going those type of speeds. Well, actually, let me try one more time with the body on. Then we're gonna try it with the body off to see if we can gain a little bit more speed without that catching like a sail, because that's obviously gonna be an issue with air getting up underneath that body, because we have yet to make any cuts to that body. We haven't modified that body whatsoever for running these type of speeds. So let me go ahead, get this strap back on, and then we'll run a few more passes. Ready? Here we go. Easy on the throttle. I had it pinned for a split second, but I mean like a split second. Here, let's bring it back again. That might have been our best pass though, guys, when I brought it back from that direction. But let's go ahead, let's bring it from that direction again. Here we go, guys, on the throttle. I'm pinned. Oh! I saw that coming. Jeez. You know what, guys, let's see what we picked up, and then we're gonna run it with the body off. There's no way, we can't keep on doing it with the body on. You saw the air get up underneath it. Let's see what we picked up for top speed. Oh, my strap just broke. So guys, we're even getting on the throttle. The most I'm able to get, 53.9. So yeah, I'm gonna run it with the body off this time, guys. I'm gonna reset it. Still set to record the max speed. I'm gonna get it strapped back on, and we're gonna try it with the body off. Alrighty, guys, first pass with the body off. So let's take it down that way. You guys can see the amount of sand there is on the road. That's really causing traction issues. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it. Here we go. Easing on the throttle. I can tell you that's the closest I've gotten to full speed. Bring it back from that direction. Here we go, guys. Easy on the throttle. Oh, I hit that limp mode again. Keeps on hitting a limp mode. For some reason it cuts into that limp mode, but then it comes back to full power like a second later. I think it's at full power again. Let's go ahead and bring it. And I think it hit that limp mode again. Gonna go ahead and bring it. And it hit limp mode again. It keeps on hitting limp mode when I try to give it full throttle. Bummer. I don't know what's going on. When I really try to get on the power, guys, the thing goes into limp mode. It's kind of frustrating, but what are you gonna do? I don't know, we might be pulling too much voltage. Since I am running a Dean's connector, I'm a little bit concerned about it drawing too much voltage or too much amperage, whatever you want to call it. And when I'm going full power like that, full throttle, the ESC can't regulate that amount of power through the system. So it could be something like that. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and bring it again. I want to get one really clean pass. Okay, gonna bring it from that direction, guys. Here we go. Easy on the throttle. Okay, I was pinned. It hit the low voltage mode again, or that limp mode, but it hit it just right down here. That's the most we're gonna get, guys. When I go full power, it won't let me. I'm getting up to like pin for like a second. Let's see what we picked up. All right, guys, 60.7 miles per hour. So, you know what? That's still the fastest we've done, because the previous best was 57.1. So we're at 60.7 miles per hour. So at least we've made an improvement. But yeah, this thing I know is faster than that. I can still feel it accelerating when I come past, but then like right when I come past, then it hits that limp mode. So it's a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is. But anyway, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so then you'll be notified when we come out with new videos. So see you later, guys.